Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of line up UV settings. Here in this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. Then here in this list you will scrolling down until you find line up, you will go to line up as you see and you will click. Here in this page of app info, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone, so please don't forget to support